Hey guys, today I'd like to make a quick tutorial how to add a new part to the menu and add your custom part, but not going too deep and following the existing size and structure so we don't have to code. We are going to create a new wall as example. We already have a wall with one window and we'll add a wall with two windows. I'll start from the menu and we'll make the same submenu as we have for the roof on a demo scene. Under Menu, we have a parent object for the button with script attached. This script has buttons assigned and simply activates and deactivates submenu buttons on click. Let's create a new parent object for the wall window button. Add call submenu script and rename the button so we know what this is. Next, we can simply copy-paste submenu buttons from the roof, since they will be on exact the same positions. And we only need to change the icons. I've already created the image, and we just need to change texture type to sprite. Let's rename our new buttons, change the icons, and adjust the size. Since I've modified call submenu script and renamed methods to match the button's name, we have to fix on-click events and call the methods accordingly. When we click on the main menu button, we activate submenu buttons. When we click on submenu buttons, we deactivate them. Do the same for the wall window buttons. As you can see, we have another on-click event on the submenu buttons with the part scriptable object assigned. This is how we know what part should be selected when we press menu button. We have these objects for every part. Let's create a new part. Don't forget to assign submenu buttons in the call submenu component, and we can test our new menu. Buttons work as expected, but we still do not have an actual part to select and place. I've created a 3D model of a new wall with two windows, and we have to create a prefab for the new part. Just drag new model into your scene, add collider, and in this case, we don't need any tags or layers. Save a prefab. I forgot to add windows. Let's create child objects for the windows, add colliders, and assign window tag and layer. Now let's go back to our submenu buttons, assign and set up scriptable objects. In the scriptable object we already created for the new part, we need to assign a prefab, docking tag, and layer. In our case, this is wall because our new part needs to be placed in the same places and following the same logic as all other walls. Let's hit play and test. New buttons work perfect, new part selected and placed, but we have an issue with the Windows position. This is because of pivot points. We need to adjust positions in the new part's prefab. Now looks better, just needs some minor adjustment. Hope this helped. Thanks.